Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the AI voice in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, within the welcome screen, you will see files icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Here, you will land on the project list where all your saved videos appears. Scroll down and find the project where you want to change the voice. Tap on the project thumbnail to open it. Once the project open, you will see multiple scenes. You can just scroll down and tap on the screen whose voice that you want to change. Once selected, each scene has its own voice setting. You can customize voice individually. Inside the selected scene, tap on the voiceover or voice icon. This opens the list of available AI voices. You can just browse through different AI voices, languages and accents, as well as tap to preview the voice. Once you find the right voice, select it to apply on the scene. You will also be given with an option to apply to all scenes. You can just check on it or just leave as it is. After that, tap on the select option. The new voice will now replace the old one from that scene. If your project has multiple scenes, repeat the same steps to change the voices in other scenes as well. And after that, tap on the preview icon at the top to listen the updated voice and make sure that it sounds perfect. Fliki will automatically save your changes. Once you are satisfied with the results, you can just download it through the download icon beside the preview icon, and that's it. You have successfully changed the AI voice. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.